Memorandum of Association. This is the charter of company which defines the constitution of company. It contains the 6 clauses. ठीक है, first clause is the name clause. Second clause is the situation clause. Third clause is the object clause. Fourth one is the liability clause. Fifth is the capital. And last one is the subscription clause. In the name clause, you have to mention the name of company. Name of company which is approved by ROC. ROC means Registrar of Companies. Okay. The name of the company ends with the word limited in case of public company and private limited in case of private company. Next clause is the situation clause. You have to mention the name of the state. Name of the state in which the registered office of the company is situated. Third clause is the object clause, and there is 2 clauses. Main object we can also say 3 clauses because main object and incidental objects are correlated with each other. Incidental objects and other objects. Main object means the purpose for which the company has been established. Please switch off your phone. Liability clause. Here we have to mention the liability of the members. Liability of the members of the company. And it is different in different companies. In case of companies limited by share, the liability of member is limited up to the non-payment of their call money up to the face value of the shares. Okay, and in case of guarantee company, their liability is limited up to the amount they have undertaken in the memorandum of association. Capital clause. In the capital clause, you have to mention the authorized capital of the company. And in the subscription clause, you have to mention the name of the subscriber. 7 in the case of public company and 2 in case of private company. Okay. 7 members in case of public company, they have to sign their signatures in correspondence with their names. So, is there any doubt regarding the memorandum of association?